How to change YouTube channel name is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by opening up the YouTube app on our phone. In order to change the channel name, you want to click on your profile icon in the top right. In here, you want to click on your channel at the top. This opens up your channel. And in here, you want to click the pencil icon in the center right. As you can see, we're in the channel settings, and at the top you can see name, and on the right you can see the pencil icon again. Click that, and as you can see, this window pops up which says the channel name. You can now go ahead and change it to new channel name, then hit OK, and you'll effectively change your channel name on your phone. The second part is how to change your channel name on your PC, which is easy by clicking your profile picture in the top right after going to google.com. In here, you want to go to the YouTube studio. Now, once the studio loads, you want to come on over to the left to this bar, which has customizations at the bottom. Now in here, you want to click on basic info at the top. And now you can see channel name and description. This is our channel name. To the right of it is the pencil icon which says edit channel name. Click that and you can now change the name to changed name. You would then hit publish in the top right and your channel name would be changed.